Yo, what's up with y'all, man? It's Gary from Gamblers, back with another video. This time we're gonna be kind of restoring, but not really gonna be icing up these 2010 Coolberry 11s. Alright, see they're real fucking yellow on the bottom. Yellow as fuck. I got them like this. You know, the rest is pretty clean for me. This is what I'll be using, alright? 40 volume cream. And the thing is, I've seen so many videos on YouTube with people that come out with like dead stock results and shit, but they never really have the full process. So it's like, I feel like they're trying to like finesse you, I guess. And then you have other videos that like, they just don't have results at all. And I have problems with both. There's never really a complete video on YouTube. So that's what I'm kind of trying to be doing, you know what I'm saying? The thing is, if you don't know how to fucking apply it, which you should, you basically use a toothbrush, scoop it in this bitch, you rub it on the bottom, you don't gotta worry about getting on, it doesn't really fucking matter. It's not gonna do nothing, don't worry about it. You cover it up with plastic wrap, right on the bottom, leave it out in the sun. Not for 1 hour, not for 2. We're gonna be leaving it out there for 5 hours. 5 sessions, 5 hours. Sunny days too. The upcoming day is supposed to be sunny. Since I don't know what's gonna happen, if the shoes are like to come out as dead stock, I guess, or like really icy, just know that I'm not trying to like finesse y'all. This is exactly what I'm gonna be using the whole video. Like, I'm doing this with y'all. But anyways, we're gonna start this up, man. I'm trying to do this video as short as possible, even though I already know it's gonna be long as fuck. So let's get into this. Alright, so if y'all don't know, man, I'm gonna do this one time for y'all. I should know how to do this shit, but I'm just gonna show y'all real quick, you know what I mean? Not too hard. Pretty fucking easy, actually. Take this bitch out. Little ass fucking... Actually, it don't matter how much. I think I would prefer like a medium of... Oh, got some of my shit here. Alright, now that's done, all we gotta do is wrap this shit up in plastic wrap. Wait, hold up. There you go. One pair right here. Do the same shit with the other one. Alright, so they out in the sun right now. Like I said, I know how to do this whole process fine. Should be no worries. Pretty sunny, but it's a little windy too. So yeah, we'll be back with the results though. Should have good results. Hopefully this bitch ass wind will keep going. It's a little windy. It'll get a little hotter, but the sun out, so that's all that matters. Alright, so I just got done with the first session. It's been like 5 to 6 hours actually. And I'm not sure. I want to say I got results, but it's just the first session. So I ain't really that much worried about it. And I forgot to take the before pictures, so yeah, can't really. If there's a difference, we're gonna have to really check, like be nitpicking and shit. Take the wrap off, and you see all this shit left over. You just rub it on the sink, like all the rest of that shit. Just all the rest of that bullshit, just let it wash off. The water do that shit. You got a towel, you just dry that shit up. It's not, I want to say it look better. Not sure though, for real. Only the first session though, like I said. Alright, we're about to do a second session now, because, you know, I'm up now. A little better day right now, the weather a little better than yesterday. It's not that windy no more, so, yeah, you know what the process is. Let's just get into this shit. Alright, so these joints outside. It's like 2 o'clock. I don't think I'll be able to do 5 hours right now. So yeah, this session gonna be a little shorter. So I am kind of fucking up, I ain't gonna lie, but we should get a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It's not that much, but we should get something. Alright, so we did 2 sessions, and I'm not even gonna hold you. We getting little to no results, yeah. Alright, so we just skipped right to the, I already wrapped everything up. It's the 3rd session. Actually compared it to our, like, before we started all this shit, now I actually am getting results. Like, the thing is, you can only tell if you got results after you wash that shit off. Like, after you've done a session, wash that shit off, and that's when you can actually tell if you got results or not.
So at first, when that shit was wrapped up, I couldn't really tell, but it actually is, I don't want to say a lot, but it is noticeably clear. I'm gonna show y'all a picture later.
Yo, what's up with y'all, man? It's Ari. I just came, talk a little bit about how everything is going. So I actually got the expected results, not too much of a difference, but it's not really the same. It's actually gotten quite better. But I'm gonna show y'all the pictures of how it was before and how it is after this third session. We're not done yet, still 2 sessions to go. So a little tip, after you do a session, I advise you to actually wipe everything off with wash the remaining amount of sauce off with a toothbrush under the water, wipe it off to actually see the actual difference. It's actually the actual results. Because after I brought it inside with the whole wrap on top, I couldn't tell anything. It was like the same thing. After I washed it off and I compared it, that's when I actually noticed it was a little bit clearer, a little bit. So yeah, so we're not done yet. I'm hoping y'all can actually see the difference, but yeah, it actually is a little bit clearer. So we're not done yet, and 2 more sessions to go. We actually just get right through this. So anyways, let's just skip to the next session.
Alright, so I'm just done wrapping these bitches up. 4th session, so, and it's a good ass weather outside, so let's get this shit done. Alright, it's sitting out like fucking 70 degrees and shit. That's probably perfect. Good enough sun. And hopefully we actually see some good results, because after the 2nd session, that's when I already start getting like clear results. So after the 4th, that's double. So we should be seeing some good shit out of this. Okay, so after the 4th session, we really got little results from the 3rd session. There's really no major difference at all from after the 3rd session. So the pictures that I showed you were almost the same as what it looks at like now. It's not gonna actually give me the results that I want. It's what I expect, but it's not what I want. I'm not really just gonna come to any conclusions right away, but for now I would say don't even try it unless you really just want to work in the toe boxes of 4s or a pair of Jordan 3s. That really works well for sure. When it comes to icing up soles from 11s, 5s, 6s, shoes like that, I don't think I wouldn't really go with this unless they're like slightly yellow. But for that, they really wouldn't look any different, in my opinion. But if you're really picky with your shit, then I guess you would. We just gonna get to the 1st session, final session, and we gonna round all of this up. All right, so we just wrapped them up. The last session, it's like 80 degrees right now. Should be perfect. I wrapped them up pretty nicely, and I kind of drenched them this time. Like, I didn't give a fuck no more. I just want to see some good results. But I don't know. We just gonna see how we finish up. But we gonna wrap this up in the next one, the next clip, and I'll see y'all. Okay, so to wrap this video up, man, I just want to say that I know this video was not in the most detailed format. It wasn't edited to make it look as great as possible. This video is not really for entertainment. It's really strictly informative. I just want to let y'all know if y'all should buy this shit. And if you do buy it, how you should use it. How to properly use 40 volume cream. And all in all, it's not worth it. It's not worth it at all to me, man. I had 6 to 7 sessions. I don't even remember the number, with yellow results. Still, I did get slight results as y'all see in the pictures, but it's not worth to go through the whole thing, the whole process, just to get what I got. You know what I'm saying? I did every process properly. I know how to do everything. I did it perfectly, but I still got not any good results. You know what I'm saying? So it's not worth it, man. I'm gonna be doing God of Souls review soon. I'm gonna be doing the God of Souls review soon, and I'm gonna let y'all know if that's worth it. If y'all know any other brand that is worth it, y'all can either try that, or if y'all depending on me, then y'all can wait till I drop that. But don't even try this, man. It's not worth it, man. Unless you, again, if you're using like a toe boxes of 3s, 4s, some 5s, that it definitely works for that. It definitely works, no doubt. But when it comes to icing up soles, it's none of that. It's not worth it at all to me. But yeah, man, that's it for this video, man. I hope y'all really enjoyed it. I hope y'all watched the whole thing, found it important. I'm gonna be dropping more reviews on different icy soles, I guess. So leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, go watch our other videos, man. We got top 5s of the month, all that, man. I hope y'all really found this important, and I'm out. Gamers.